Hey guys, welcome to Smarthome Vietnam. I'm Paul, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about this. It's called an RM Pro by Broadlink, and it's basically a universal infrared remote control. As well as infrared, it also handles radio frequency. That means you can hook it up to your Wi-Fi network, connect it to your smartphone or tablet, and use it to control things like your air conditioning, your TV, DVD players, audio systems, fans, and basically anything that can be controlled by IR or RF. So we're going to be looking at how to actually go through the setup of that. Are you ready? Let's go. All right, so the first thing you need to do is figure out where to put it. And if you're going to be controlling air conditioning devices, then ideally it's got to go somewhere in the room opposite your aircon. So up there is my air conditioner in the living room. And so I'm going to place this right here on top of this speaker. So the first thing you do is you plug it in. It just goes into a wall socket, and then it has one of these little USB connections which just goes into the back of the device like that. And then what happens when it starts up is that this little light on the front will start flashing away. So we'll pop that on there. Now, mine's been connected already, so it's only flashing slowly, but yours will flash quite fast the first time you connect it. Alright, so once you've got that all hooked up, the next thing you do is download the app on your cell phone or your tablet. So I just used this little Lenovo tablet that I've had knocking around for years to control this. And it's ideal because I can sit it somewhere in my living room, just sit it on a table like that, and it makes a wonderful remote control panel for the various devices in my home. And I've also checked to see if you can get this on the Android and on iOS here in Vietnam, and you can. The only thing is with iOS, I couldn't find it in the App Store, so I had to Google for it, and then I found it and I could download it. The app you're looking for is called eControl by Broadlink. Alright, so when you get the RM Pro plugged in and it's flashing away and you've got the app downloaded and installed, come to the main menu of the app first of all and select Add Device from the top of the menu. Simply enter your local Wi-Fi username and password and then hit the Configure button. The system will then scan for the RM Pro, find it and log on to it. Okay, so once it's detected the RM Pro, it'll come back to this screen and you can hit the plus button in the top right and select Add Remote. When you do that, it shows you all of the RM devices that you have, and here I can see the RM Pro. Click on that one and it gives me a list of the type of devices that I can add. So this is going to be an air conditioner, so we'll click that one. And then up at the bottom of the screen you get the option to learn. So we'll click the learn button, and now it gives us a message saying hit any button from on-off mode temperature on the remote control and point it at the RM Pro device. So when it recognises the device, it comes up on the screen and you have two buttons, heating and cooling. Now in my case I never need heating, so for that one I'm just going to hold, click and delete. So that deletes the heating button, and I want to set up cooling, so I press on that one, click on learn. I'm going to aim my remote at the RM Pro and press the power button, and it comes up saying what have I just done, and in this case I'm going to say on because it's switching it on. The mode type is cooling, and the temperature that I've got set on my remote control is 25 degrees, so I set that, and that's the first thing. We'll save that one, and the next thing we want to do is add one for switching it off. So we hit the plus button, hit learn, aim the remote control at the RM Pro, record that and call it off. Again, setting the temperature to 25 degrees, not that it really matters when we're switching it off, and save that. Now that's created two settings on the app. We can come back, come out of that, and we can see that user-defined aircon has been added to the front screen of the application. When we hit that button, it takes us into the control panel that actually allows us to control the air conditioner. Pressing that one will switch the air conditioning on. You heard it going on in the background. Switching that one will switch it off. So that's it, guys, as simple as that to get the Broadlink RM Pro set up to control your air conditioner. Good thing about it is, it doesn't matter what AC you've got, so long as you've got the original remote control, and you can learn it with the device and it will just work. So that's got my 2 remote control things on there. You can learn the temperature up and down and the swing and all of those sorts of things at the same time. Works really well. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, hope it was useful. Don't forget, if it was, just give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll see you again next time. Thanks for watching.